This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your PayPal account. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official PayPal website. Look for the Sign Up button, usually located in the top right corner of the page, and click it to begin. You will then choose between a personal or business account, depending on your needs. This initial step is quick and gets you ready for the next phase. Next, you will provide your personal details to secure your account. Carefully enter your full legal name, a current email address, and your mobile phone number. It is crucial to create a strong, memorable password, ideally combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. PayPal will send a verification code to your phone, which you will enter to confirm your contact information, adding an important layer of security. Now, connect a payment method to fully enable your PayPal account. You can choose to link a bank account or a credit or debit card. Providing this financial information allows you to effortlessly send money to others or make secure online purchases. Follow the prompts to enter your card details or bank account and routing numbers. You may be asked to confirm small transactions to verify ownership. To finalize your setup, complete the verification process for your linked payment method. For bank accounts, PayPal will send 2 small deposits, usually less than $1 each, which you will then confirm on the site. For cards, you might confirm a 4-digit code that appears on your statement. Once verified, your new PayPal account is completely ready for you to send and receive money securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.